Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy. Today we're going to be making an easy keto salmon recipe smothered in a sticky sweet and sour sauce. So this salmon recipe is so delicious, you guys, and it's easy. It only takes 20 minutes. You use one pan and you don't even have to flip it, and it still makes a nice crispy skin with salmon that's perfectly cooked through. So let's get started. So we're going to start by mixing together all of the sauce ingredients. And just a note that if you have another sauce that you just really love with your keto salmon, you can replace the sauce and just use the same cooking method. But I am in love with this sauce because it's sticky, sweet, it has a little bit of kick to it from some Red Hot, and it's just delicious. So we're going to add some, well, actually quite a bit of minced garlic because it's so delicious. Some Red Hot or sriracha. I'm using 1 tablespoon. It gives it a nice kick, but it's not so hot that my kids won't eat it. So it's not like super spicy, just gives it a really good flavor. I'm using coconut aminos, but you can also add a little bit of gluten-free soy sauce in place of the coconut aminos if you would like. Some lemon juice to brighten up the flavor, and some keto brown sweetener. I'm using quite a bit. I'm using half a cup because it's delicious. And you can use any brand, all brands work really good in this recipe. Just mix this together and we'll set it aside. And we mix the sauce together first because once you start cooking the salmon, it goes really quickly. So we'll start by just patting the salmon dry. We'll pat both sides with a paper towel. And if you notice that there is skin on these, and I really recommend using skin for this recipe because we're going to be cooking it on the skillet, and the skin will protect the inside of the salmon from being overcooked and dry. It will just insulate it so it cooks a lot more gently, and it also kind of helps prevent that white stuff from forming, which is unsightly and we don't really want that. I have another trick coming up that helps prevent it also, and it's safe to eat, but it's just not very pretty. After we pat the salmon dry, we'll go ahead and just add some butter, or you can use non-dairy butter if you're dairy-free. To a medium-sized skillet, you need to use a non-stick skillet or a cast iron as long as it's well seasoned and things don't stick to it a lot, along with just a little bit of oil. And we're going to allow this to heat up over medium-high heat until the butter's melted and everything is nice and shimmery, but you don't want it so hot that it is smoking. So once your pan is hot, we'll go ahead and season the salmon with just a little bit of salt, pepper, and paprika. And the reason we simmer it after the pan is hot is because you don't want to add salt to your fish too early, otherwise it can dry it out. Now that your pan is hot, we'll just add the salmon in, skin side down. That's very important. As soon as you get your salmon on, go ahead and take your spatula and press down for about 10 seconds on each piece. This is another little trick that keeps the salmon from curling. Now we're going to cook the salmon for 3 minutes over medium-high heat. So our 3-minute timer just went off, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this sauce over the top of the salmon and kind of mix it in there a little bit. And now we're going to transfer it to the oven at 400 degrees and cook it for like 7 to 10 minutes, or until the edges easily flake with a fork. That way it still has a nice crispy skin, but you don't have to flip it. I always hate flipping my salmon, and it just cooks perfectly. It will continue to cook just a little bit after you take it out of the oven, so keep that in mind. This just came out of the oven, and I have to tell you, it looks amazing. The skin is crispy, the inside is flaky and tender, and the sauce, oh my goodness, the sauce. It's garlicky, it's sweet from the keto brown sweetener, it has a little bit of kick from the Red Hot, and it's just so delicious. If you get the chance to try this, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And to see more recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.